Hi everyone! So today I'm going to do a Dutch pour. I know I do quite a lot of them, but I really enjoy doing it. I'm going to do one with a black background and also one with a white background. And then today I'm going to try the color shift paints and I'm going to see how well those do. I have, do they have colors? Pink Flash, Purple Flash, and Aqua Flash. So we'll see how those do on each of the colors. I'm hoping that on the black they really stand out, but we will see. Let me move that out of the way, and I also have my hairdryer. I'm just going to prop the canvas up on some cups, and then I will spread out my paint. I've already put a coat of black on this one just so that it has good coverage when it's drying. Okay, so I have my palette knife to spread the paint out. I'm going to move these to the side. I'm going to check. So all I have in here is paint and water. I didn't add anything else, so we'll see how well this works. Sometimes when I do this I add just a small amount, like a teaspoon of Floetrol. I just decided not to today because I want to see how it works. But each color is nice and thin. So we'll smooth this out. Okay, and we'll pour some color down. Let's see, how do I want to do my color? Ooh, I think hopefully when this dries, I think this is going to stand out really nicely against the black. It's very bright. Okay, so we do our color around, and now we'll use the hairdryer. Okay, I'm leaving that. That looks really awesome. So hopefully I didn't thin it down too much, but the cells that black created in there look awesome. I'm going to try and move this out of the way and hopefully I don't ruin it, so I can also try this in white because I think it's going to look really nice. So I will get this moved and be back. Okay, so I have my white canvas now, and so we'll see how these look. I apparently dripped a little bit of black in my white, so I'm going to try and get some of that out. I think that'll be okay. I'll just do and my palette knife, smooth this out. Okay. So that first one had a lot of purple, so this one I'm going to do more of this teal green. I really like the way that this looks. We'll see. Okay. So I'll put the white around it. Hopefully I have enough on there. I think it'll move around okay. And now for the hairdryer. This one also got some really nice cells just all right in there. So I am going to let these dry and then I'll show you what they look like. Alright, so these pieces are pretty much dry. I'm going to lift this up and bring it closer. Unfortunately, the cells really broke up in this one and I'm not sure why. It also cracked a little bit. I normally don't have a problem with that, but today I apparently did. So other than that, it's mostly dry. The colors are really pretty, so I'm going to try using these again and hopefully get my consistency right and see what happens. I might try them with a dirty pour or a flip cup and just see what I can get with another technique. But that's the white one. Let me get the black one. So this one, it's almost dry. I don't know why not sure why that one got some texture. It does have some really nice cells. The colors show up really well against the black. So again, I'll be trying these colors. I don't really know what it did in those corners. So I'll just have to try it again. But I do like this middle part. I think the colors are really pretty and it did keep some of those cells. So next time, I had just added water to the paints and I'm wondering if it was too thin. So I will do some Floetrol or another pouring medium and see if that helps. But thank you all for watching and I hope you enjoyed.